Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be solving 2025 science paper 1, basically, which is physics. So before I start, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share the video if it was helpful. So the question is saying a car traveling at 10 meters per second squared increases velocity to 30 meters per second in 5 seconds. What is its acceleration? So for us to calculate the acceleration, first you need to understand this formula, which says acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So whenever you are using this formula, remember the units. So velocity should always be in meters per second. Then time should be in seconds. So time is in seconds. So if you have time in minute, make sure you convert it to seconds. So we are saying that a car was traveling at 10 meters per second. Then later it increases its velocity to 30 meters per second in 5 seconds. So this question was simple. Your job here was only to identify the initial velocity and the final velocity. So this part is where most students make a mistake when they are identifying the initial and final velocity. So pay particular attention. So the initial velocity is the velocity it was traveling at initially. So the speed it started with. So in our question, the car was traveling at 10 meters per second, meaning the initial velocity was what? 10 meters per second. Then the final velocity was what? 30 meters per second, because it increased its velocity to 30 meters per second. So now you just have to replace. So you say 30 minus 10 divided by the time, which is 5. So you have 20 divided by 5, which gives us 4 meters per second squared as our acceleration. So this is how simple the question was.